Welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. I brought to you the best way to prepare your amala, authentic amala. Amala is made with yam flour, and that is what we are making today. For you to make amala, your water needs to be well boiled, just like this. And for making amala, it is very important to have this spatula. Without spatula, there is no amala. Yes, real amala. That's what I'm talking about. And you're also going to need yam flour, of course. At this stage, I turn down the heat a bit and I'll be pouring this yam flour into the water bit by bit. And as I add it into it, I'm going to be using the spatula to mix it very well as fast as possible. I'm using this medium to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Please remember to join us here. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you so much for your love. Hope you give this a try. This yam flour I'm using is made from yam, dried yam, well blended, and it is also well sieved. Okay, so we are making amala, lump-free amala. Let me give you a tip. If you're making amala, at this stage, make sure that your amala is a little bit hard. When it is hard, it will be very, very easy for you to be able to mix it well, and you're going to have a lump-free amala. If you make your amala watery at this stage, there's possibility of having some lumps in it. But if you make it a little bit hard, you're going to add water later. But at this very stage, let it be hard like this, and then you'll be able to mix it well, and you're going to have lump-free amala, just like this, what you can see on the screen. At this stage, I'm going to try as much as possible to pack everything into the middle. It is now time to add some hot water into it. It is very important to reserve some hot water at the beginning before pouring yam flour into the hot water. You reserve some. After adding some hot water into it, now I covered it and allow it to cook under low heat for about 5 minutes. It's now time to bring back the spatula and give it a good mix. You can see the difference. It was looking quite different to this before we cooked it for about 5 minutes again, and look at what we have. Lovelies, you can see it's drawing now. This is amala, yam flour amala, super Yoruba swallow is what you can see here. This is lump free, perfect, authentic way of making amala. I'm going to wrap it with this nylon. You can also use this if you live in diaspora and you don't have that local nylon I showed. Feel free to use the one I showed you now. So it's time to wrap it well. This is going to help it to retain that hotness. After wrapping it like this, I'm going to cover it well with blankets or in a warmer. And when it is time to be eaten, you just need to bring one out like this, put it in a plate and serve it with a soup of your choice, with any kind of soup. I'm rocking this with ila okra soup and super stew. Thanks for watching.